Top 10 Car Wash in Memphis. 1. Shine and Roll Car Wash, 5/13/23 reviews, Centennial Dr. 2. Glide Xpress Car Wash, 4.9 306 reviews, Austin Peay Highway. 3. Memphis Wash Company, 4.9 146 reviews, Union Avenue. 4. Zips Car Wash, 4.8 693 reviews, Poplar Avenue. 5. Glide Xpress Car Wash, 4.8 456 reviews, US 64. 6. Club Car Wash, 4.8 184 reviews, Getwell Rd. 7. Take 5 Car Wash, 4.7 1612 reviews, Moriah Rd. 8. Glide Xpress Car Wash, 4.7 1201 reviews, and Germantown Parkway. 9. Memphis Wash Company, 4.7 135 reviews, Poplar Avenue. 10. Take 5 Car Wash, 4.6 1955 reviews, Elvis Presley Blvd.